Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here scroll all the way down to System at the very bottom, and then select Reset Options. Erase all data, factory reset. Now I want to point out I might not be able to go through this because I only have 12% battery, but we'll see. I will try to fix it up if it's possible. Now, when you go further, you can see we have erase all data, factory reset, and with a quick message letting you know that this process will remove things like Google accounts, system and app data, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Out of this list right here, you should only worry about the three last ones, which is the music, photos, and user data. These might be a little bit more annoying to get back, specifically if you don't have like cloud backup. Photos, for instance, they will be gone and you have no way of retrieving them. Other things like music, you can re-download it usually. Other user data really depends what that refers to. So if it refers to some kind of documents that you may be keeping on your phone, those get deleted and you don't have a backup of those, they're again gone. Things that you shouldn't worry about are things like downloaded apps. Again, we can re-download them. System and app data and stuff like that. Again, once you download the apps, those will get recreated. It doesn't matter. Google accounts, they get signed out, not deleted. So anyway, I'm gonna now go forward, selecting erase all data. Now I do have a screen lock, so it is prompting me to confirm it. Once I do so, I can then click erase all data for the second time and get the, like I mentioned, blocker that I need to have over 30% battery life, so that 12% became a problem, but hopefully by plugging it in, I can fix it up. Nope. But just know that when you basically select the erase all data for the second time, your device would basically turn off, start resetting itself, which this process would take several minutes. Once that's completed, you'll be then taken to the setup screen of your device, with obviously the process being finished. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go through this as I only have 12% battery life, and plugging it in, I would need to just wait for it to charge, so I'm just gonna keep it at that. Other than that, once you press it, it's fully automatic, so there's not much to actually see. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.